Bolingbrook is a growing city and a charming place to visit. Plan a unique shopping experience at the Promenade with 750,000 square feet of open-air shopping and dining right off I-355. For summer fun, Bolingbrook boasts miles of wildlife trails and exciting nature sites like the Hidden Oaks Nature Center. Family thrills await you at Wilderness Falls Mini Golf and Pelican Harbor Aquatic Park. Will County also hosts world-class golf courses. The Bolingbrook Golf Club is one of Chicagoland's most impressive courses, with 7 lakes, rolling fairways, and top-notch food at the Nest Bar and Grill. Bolingbrook's Clow International Airport houses the Illinois Aviation Museum and Charlie's Restaurant, where you can dine and watch the planes land. There's something for everyone in Bolingbrook. Plan your stay and learn more about Joliet and Romeo Ville as well at visitwill.com.